Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to Noor's Kitchen. In today's video we will learn to make two types of sweet corns just like we buy from outside. So let us start. Firstly, I have taken 3 cups of corns and now I'll put it in a pan. And now pour half cup of water into it. Cook the corns for at least 5 minutes and wait until the water evaporates. We will do the mixing in another bowl. As I said, I'll be making 2 recipes with these corns. Firstly, we will make classic corns and it is super tasty. On the corns, add butter, salt, black pepper. Mix it well. And lastly, a pinch of red chili powder. Then it's ready. Now let's make masala corn. For that, take corns, add butter, black pepper, salt, red chili powder, chaat masala and some lemon juice. Mix it well and it's ready. These are the 2 ways that I choose to make my sweet corns. Now it's up to you how you wanna eat it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Noor's Kitchen. I'll be very grateful.